Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enter the split screen on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. So first we're gonna open any app that we want to use in the split screen, and now we can open the background apps where we also have our app, of course. Now we can tap on these three dots, and over here we have split screen. Then we need to select another app that we want to use in the split screen. So let's say I'm gonna choose WhatsApp, and now as you can see I can use two apps at the same time. And then if you want to close it, then of course you can use this middle point and then drag it all the way down like so, or all the way up. It works both ways. And of course you don't really have to open the app. If you already have it opened in the background apps, then you can open it in the split screen, and you can do that twice. There we go. So let's go with edit and open it. And there we go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.